Welcome to the Yeastar Cloud PBX Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. Today we'll be demonstrating how to set up a Yeastar Cloud PBX. Open your browser and go to yeastar.com/free trial. Enter your information into the Start Your Free Trial form fields. Click Get Started when finished. You will receive an email from Yeastar giving you the URL and login credentials to your Cloud PBX. Go to the provided URL. Enter the activation code. Go ahead and agree to the data processing agreement. You will then be prompted to enter an administrator email address and password. Enter the administrator email address and a password of your choosing. Click Save. You will be redirected to the Yeastar Cloud PBX login screen. Enter your administrator email address and password. Click Login. You will be greeted by the configuration wizard. Go ahead and set the time zone to your local time. Please note we will not be using the configuration wizard to make any further changes. Click Next. We will be setting up extensions in an upcoming video. Click Next to skip the Create Extension step. Go ahead and click Next to skip the Send Welcome Email step. We will be setting up Link Us in an upcoming video. Click Next to skip the Use Link Us step. We will auto-provision phones in an upcoming video. Click Next to skip the IP phones auto-provisioning step. Click Next to skip Register IP phones manually. Click Finish on Create Trunks. We will be setting up the Voxtelesys trunk in an upcoming video. You may be asked to reboot your Yeastar Cloud PBX. Go ahead and click Yes to reboot. The reboot process may take a few minutes. When the reboot has completed, you'll be redirected to the login page. Log in with your administrator credentials. You will then be taken to the Yeastar Cloud PBX desktop. Congratulations! You have set up your Yeastar Cloud PBX instance. In upcoming videos, we will show you how to set up extensions, Voxtelesys trunks, and ring groups. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.